Oh my God.
Oh my God,
Oh,
hi.
what's it? So you're
It's so crazy seeing you.
Wait,
I haven't seen you since oatmeal this
This morning at breakfast. Wait, what are you doing?
I'm singing.
Well,
You're
I'm-
hosting the red carpet.
Yeah, that's great.
Good to see you. Fancy meeting you here.
Are you so excited?
I am so excited. I'm performing with Abel.
Yeah.
With The Weeknd, and we're doing our single. and I
You
like-
look
So thank you.
stunning.
Thank
You look gorgeous. I love this hair. It looks really new.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've never seen this look before.
Thank you so much, Frankie.
You know it's my favorite
Coming
look of
from a
yours.
toucan. I want to keep it like this.
Yeah.
Because I love it.
It makes you happy. You look gorgeous with your hair up. You look gorgeous with your hair down.
Thank you.
You look gorgeous, and it makes you happy, and it looks amazing. So hey, you know what I'm
So
saying? I love you so much. I'm so proud of you. I'm so excited for tonight.
Thank you
Go.
for stopping by.
Go. Just stopping by.
Bye.